Hi, I'm Andy Bass. I'm a visiting professor in the School of Architecture, Built Environment, Computing and Engineering, and I'm also acting as a consultant on a project to produce graduates who are AI enabled in the professions. We've got an amazing array of capabilities, resources and assets in the university, all of which can really help to make sure that we're preparing graduates for a world that's changed so much because of AI. And I think what I've really taken from today is understanding the range of those and how specifically we can bring them to bear, and just how committed the staff are to producing a great result in this area. It's really vital that students that are going into employment are AI ready, because there are so many opportunities but also risks. A lot of employers are worried about guardrails and about the safety of deploying AI. But on the other side of it, of course, there's not only efficiency gains, but also the augmentation that can be used to produce better results for customers and clients of organisations. So we really need to prepare our graduates for that marketplace.
Well, we all know that the world of industry is changing very, very quickly and on a massive scale due to AI. So it's important that when our learners, our graduates, our apprentices are out there with their organisations, that they're taking the skills that they need to be able to help those businesses develop and grow.
So I think BCU currently is in a great position, very enviable, because it is leading this and it's taking hold and moving forward and evolving with the needs of all the different industry sectors. So making sure that our graduates are trained through constant consultations with the industry around us. We're in a very privileged position, being right in the heart of the city, with a huge network of industry connections that we can consult to make sure that we know what skills the graduates will need.